Yeah, Harish Patil is there. Welcome, Harish Patil. On behalf of all participants of MPME program, I welcome you and I want you to first introduce yourself, Harish.
Yes, sir. Thanks for welcoming me, first of all, to all participants, and of course, none other than Rudramurthy, sir. Uh, I am actually a 19-year-old guy, a student who has just completed first year of his education in journalism and mass communication. I got opportunity to learn from Rudramurthy, sir, 1 year back. That is from ZTM course itself. Before joining to Rudra, I had faced a lot of difficulties, ups and downs in my life in this journey of stock market with the experience of 3 years. Actually, my age is 19 and the experience of Rudramurthy sir is 17 plus. That is of my age. So I am very much lucky to have Rudra as my guru. And before the joining Rudra, I have lost heavily nearby 20 to 25 lakhs in markets, but my dad has supported me to have a comeback in my life. After joining the ZTM.
Can we have your dad's name? I'm sorry to stop you, Harish.
Yeah, of course. My dad's name is Ratan Gowda Patil.
Can we have a round of applause to Ratan Gowda Patil, who has helped Harish Patil even after losing 20 to 25 lakh money? His dad helped him, supported him, made him learn, and now he sees the earning side of market. Now, Harish, do you have access to your back office and can you share your screen live?
Yes, sir. Right.
Can you just do that for us first? Share your screen. Okay, Harish Patil is showing his screen live and this is a single shot video. So Harish Patil, yes, go ahead. Just log into your back office. Okay, customer login. I'm just reading for Harish Patil. Yes, Harish, type in your user ID. So he's typing there, live back office. Password. Harish Patil is typing his password. Login. Okay, I'm doing nothing. My hands are here up and Harish Patil is just logging in there. Fantastic, Harish. Go ahead. Financials. Okay, there he has typed the portfolio and he says click go. Yes, Harish Patil, you are showing highlight. What is that you have made? Can you tell me the number, Harish Patil?
So at present, the holdings valuation is of 33 lakh 33,100 rupees.
Okay, so this is your closing stock. You had just sent me these details and I'm just verifying with what I shared with people morning. So you just 1 second, let me just get back. So you're saying you have made a holding, your holding value is 33 lakh 33,100 right now. Can you highlight that for us?
So I'm
show me that on your
familiar with it. So I'm pointing my cursor towards it.
Okay, we can see that it is 33 lakh 33,100. That is the closing stock and value of your holding right now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your holding value as of now is 33 lakh 33,100. That is right. Morning I just shared that. Okay. Tell me what is your existing ledger balance?
My ledger balance is 12,59,274. It is
okay. That is also seen here. Your ledger balance is 12,59,274. It is here. I can see that. Now, your ledger balance means you have a balance of credit 12,59,274 and you have a holding value of 33,33,100. So what is the total of both? Can you add the holdings value as of today and your total ledger balance as of today? If you can add both and tell me what is the total you get. So your ledger balance plus that total.
It is above 45 lakhs.
It is above 45 lakhs. And what is the total investment you have made?
It is 25 lakhs.
Can we just see that on your ledger if you can show it? I want to know what is your initial investment made. Do you have that with you?
I need to remove the transactions details.
Yeah, client payment, we can see it here. Yes, I can see it here.
Yes.
Client payments. This is your total client payment, correct?
Yeah.
What is the amount there?
It's
25 lakh.
lakhs.
Correct?
Yes.
And after taxes, everything, after all, plus, minus, everything, we can see a gross profit here, 19,74,326.
Yes, sir.
And this is including realized profit, unrealized profit, net realized profit, and gross P&L.
So it is only of about equity. Still, I have F&O 1.5 lakh profits.
Okay, you want to show that also? Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are logging in live and you want to show it also on equity, and see he does trades both. Okay, it is very important not to always say I will do only Nifty or only Bank Nifty or only stocks like that. Everything put together is what he has made. Here he has a gross P&L of 123,166. So can you go back and then show us once again that previous one? Okay, so this is 33,33,100 plus the ledger balance, and you have made an investment of 25 lakh.
Yes, sir.
So for an investment of 25 lakh, if I am right, you have made a profit of over 20 lakh. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is including equity, F&O, intraday, positional, everything.
Everything.
And no editing in between. Everything is shown from the back office live. So what I see here, what is the return on investment? So a profit of 20 lakh 92,374 or about 20 lakh for a capital of 25 lakh. So what is your ROI?
About 80%.
Yes.
It's nearby 80%.
Okay, nearby 80% ROI. What is the time period you have taken to do this return? From when did you start?
I started it in mid of December, I think so. Yeah.
Mid of December, which year?
Last year, this year, and
2020.
Yeah.
So now we are in the month of July.
Yes.
So you have taken about 6.5 months time.
Yes.
Okay, for 6.5 months time, 25 lakh capital, profit of over 20 lakh, doing all the trades put together, and back office live record. If this is something great and wow, I want each one of you here to give congratulations and a big round of applause to Harish Patil. Can I have you back on screen, Harish Patil? And we believe your back office. We believe the true report, and a single short complete whatever you have just shown here. We want you to do much more and much better. Now I want to ask you, all this whatever you have done together, what do you want to tell to someone like you who was before knowing all these learnings and all what you have got before this? If there is a beginner who wants to now learn to earn like you, what do you want to say? The top 1, 2, 3 points he has to do in order to become like you, and you also spread this right financial literacy to as many people as possible and make this country more proud and make people more profitable traders. What do you want to tell Harish? Again, unmute yourself, Harish.
Yeah, they are blocking continuously. Okay. So I want to say in a single statement that learn or burn, and learn to earn. If you learn, then only you learn. So I started learning just 1 year back with Rudra, and the ROI is 80% within a year. This is just the start. And the experience is Rudra sir just taught me the markets like a mother teaches to her child. Taking care like day and night, he was working with us, and he was just providing the hand holding support to us. So I am very much happy that I got the opportunity to become the student of Rudra sir, and learning is just the key to success. These profits are nothing, they will come and come. They will come guarantee at any point of the moment in the life, but the learning which I have got is far beyond what I can say. And one more thing, what I want to say is, if anyone asks me what I must pay for his programs, that is, I cannot compare. A blank check is also not enough in front of his programs. That is I want to say.
Great. Thank you so much. Once again, I want a big round of applause to Harish Patil. And thanks for this share, whatever you have made with us, Harish Patil. May God bless you. And I want to put a disclaimer right there clear. People can make, in fact, more returns than Harish Patil, or you can even lose money in market. It all depends on putting that right effort and learning to earn. Also, each individual has his own style of market reading and understanding. Only when you have the right market understanding and the right self-understanding, that is the big combination for success in market. Thank you so much, Harish, for coming here, showing your live report of back office and sharing your success. God bless you, and let this be a start and a beginning for your young career, which has just now started. And I want you to continue your great work and help as many people as possible to come out of their losses, become profitable traders, and also get all their financial dreams achieved at the earliest, and keep people around them also happy. Thank you so much, Harish, for coming.